Looking for power, precision, and portability in your woodworking? The Rutlands Table Saw delivers it all. The large cast aluminium tabletop with its anti-friction coating ensures smooth, effortless movement of your workpiece. The full-length rip fence locks securely at both ends and includes a torsion lever for maximum clamping strength, preventing creeping when sawing large workpieces. Accuracy is key, and with dual rack-and-pinion fence rails, you get a perfectly parallel setup every time. The low-profile sub-fence can also be laid flat, allowing you to get closer to the blade for the narrowest of cuts, or extend the fence for a generous ripping capacity of up to 625 millimeters. After raising the riving knife above the blade from its storage and shipping position, one centrally located knob lets you tilt and raise the blade with just one hand. And with a powerful 2,000-watt motor and a 255mm 48-tooth carbide blade, you'll cut through hardwoods, softwoods, and man-made boards like butter, leaving a superfine finish. Cut up to 85mm deep at 0 degrees or 60mm at 45 degrees. Safety is built in too, with a soft start motor and a no-volt release switch that prevents accidents after a power cut. It even features convenient onboard storage for your essential accessories, like the included mitre gauge and push stick. Weighing only 22 kilograms with an ergonomic handle, it's easy to transport. And pair it with the optional folding table for a stable 890mm working height with leveling feet for working on uneven floors. Ideal for serious home woodworking, furniture making, and first and second fix joinery. The Rutlands Table Saw is ready when you are.